Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:50 p.m. Doing a little bit later than a noon video. I wanted to see how things were shaping up and be able to talk to you about it better. But kind of interesting to see the markets do a bit of a sell-off here. And let's look at a higher time frame. So the S&P 500 ETF, we had a nice consolidation pre-market here on its high. If I were to do this and look at a 15-minute chart, you can see that. Good run up, still consolidated, came right back down to our 106 mark, which we had lobbied for as possible support. Below that, of course, is a good size sell-off potential to 105 and below. But we are holding up there in the resistance at 106.80. Great swing highs, both pre-market, regular market hours, and pre-market again here. We finally broke through that and are now using that as support at the 107 mark. So I love it. 107 is holding up. However, on a higher time frame, this is again a pretty good size sell-off. So I'm going to remove some of the pre and post market data here to show you this. So retracement from where it really started getting ugly on this sell-off right through here is almost exactly 50%. All right, so everybody's happy, and then boom, unfilled gap sell-off. You could choose to draw your retracement from the top. I just do it more on a psychological level on an unfilled gap. And so we're right around this 50-yard line, which is an intense amount of resistance very often for good psychological reasons. So I'm watching this level. A move beyond that to the 108 mark would be fantastic. It would be unbelievable for it to do that today. And if it rolls over where we are right now, I'm going to be looking for a lower swing high in the future as it chops around between 106 and 107. So that's, again, very, very good. Higher time frame than that, it's even less of a blip up, and something that I would be watching for in that scenario above all the previous resistances we saw are again, this mark right through at the 109/109.50 area where the 100 MA is. And that's good stuff. So let's look intraday at the trend. The trend today is neutral. It was bullish a few times and then came rising back up, kind of hugging that declining 200 MA. More likely, that's just the swing highs of the day so far, but it's also the 200 MA, on the 15-minute chart. So a little something there with the internals of the day. So the trend Q, taking apart this, a little bit more bullish, and it's been trending south. That's helping this consolidation. And the VIX, good tiebreaker, very, very nice low base, very, very tight formation, and it's below the 25.75 mark. So I probably wouldn't get too terribly bullish unless we could get past, let's see if I can find a relevant line. Well, in a lot of ways, it's tough to draw that one. I guess I would drop it right on top of this, so the $25 mark. Interesting that we're hovering above this in this consolidation. This is in and of itself about a retracement from that gap. Let's drop them in here. That's about the 50-yard line to the penny, so that's what it is. It took me a second to discern that for myself as well. But same gap, run up, pull back to support. So the broad markets and the VIX are confirming each other beautifully, and we're a little bit stronger bullish on the trend, while the trend Q, while the trend is in the neutral range. So there you have it. That's some good information for you going forward. Very interesting day. I say it again. I like the way we're basing on our high here, and look for a move out of this breakout up to the 108 mark if we can get that strong, and that'll corroborate with a nice hit of the 100 MA. On the 15, the declining 50 on the 60, and of course right through here, this is why we have those lines in this gap fill. So good stuff to talk about. Hopefully you can use it for your gain in the markets today, and look forward to D7's video at the close, and we'll talk to you soon.